There are more than 17 million people that live in the Netherlands, and I am officially the highest person in the Kingdom of the Netherlands. This is the best hike in the world. Alright, thanks for tuning in on this new episode of ZoubeirsWorld, and my 14 days of quarantine are over. And that means that we have time to explore this beautiful island of Saba. And today we are climbing the highest top of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, and that is called Mount Scenery. It is 870 meters tall or something like that, and we are going to climb it in a few seconds. And the hike is officially started. Look how beautiful this small island is. Everything is green, and as you already noticed, all the houses here have orange-red roofs, and that's a local law here. If you want to buy a house or build a house, your roof has to be orange and the windows have to be green. Before we are going to climb this mountain of 887 meters, first we have to go to the bakery and have a breakfast. Good morning. And find a supermarket, buy some drinks. And here we are, guys, at the beginning of the trail to Mount Scenery. It's a 90 minutes one-way hike. It's 887 meters high. So in about 90 minutes I will be the highest person in the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Let's go. These are 1064 stairs, and as you can see, all the stairs have a different shape and a different height. So this hike would be considered as a moderate hike. It's not an easy hike. This hike can also be considered as dangerous because it could be very slippery. Whoa, a snake! Damn, did you see that? A snake, man. Oh fuck. That's a... Here it is. There it is. It's a snake. Snake! Snake! Okay, let's go. I hope I can see the snake back on this video. I don't know if I did catch it, but it crossed this hiking path. Huh. I'm not a snake expert or an animal expert. I don't know if that snake is poisonous. There's a little cute anole. Let's see if we can catch it. Ah! I got him, but I let him loose because he bit me. But the bites are not painful. but I just got scared or something and I let him loose. Look how big these leaves are. You call them elephant ears or elephant leaves. This is a giant forest jungle. Saba is a jungle island. It's a jungle volcano island with this elephant leaves. Beautiful. On my way up, I have to catch at least one anole and make it as my pet. Hey. Ooh. Too slow. On our way up, there are also some other hikes. Actually, there are many hikes on this island. And as you can see, if you go to the left, there is a Mascojones hill. I'm not gonna tell you what this means in Spanish. You can use Google Translator and find out. It's funny. And this is the way to Mount Scenery. The weather is perfect. My first day out of quarantine, and it's beautiful weather. Normally this island, you have to be very lucky if you can go up on Mount Scenery without having clouds. But today, there's a big chance that if I reach the top, that I have an overview of this whole island and also the nearby islands like St. Martin, Statia, St. Kitts, Nevis or Nevis, I don't know how to pronounce it, and maybe more. We'll see. I did some grocery shopping in a supermarket, so I have a few Snickers, some drinks, bread. Oh, let's see. Butter Mountain, Terra Ground, Butts Mountain, Crispine Track, and Mount Scenery, of course, that is going up. I can see Statia from here, right over there. That's the island of Statia. In Dutch we call it Sint Eustatius. And I also can see an island behind Statia. It's on the right side of Statia, behind it, and that's St. Kitts. Let's go up and maybe we can see more. And look at this giant leaf. Man, this is huge. This is huge. There is a Mount Scenery bus stop over here. Here you go. Let's see the timetable. Oh shoot, I can't read the timetable. I don't know what time the bus is coming, but I am not going to wait on it. Let's go. Just a few moments ago, I told you I have to catch at least one anole or anole. Nobody knows how to pronounce that. Even people from England or America, some say anole, some say anole. I think it's anole, but here it is. Ah! We are almost halfway now. Still 45 minutes to go. Ay, ay, ay. Man, I don't like to exercise at all, but if you like nature, you have to exercise in the nature. Oh man. Oh. This is what you get if you eat hamburgers every day, eating chips every day, drinking Coke and Red Bull. Then you will become like me, exhausted. Oh. Danger, high voltage, underground cable. Just stay on the tracks, guys. We're almost there. And unfortunately, there's a gray cloud coming above me. And I'm a little bit afraid that it's going to rain. But if it's going to rain, then I'm prepared for it. Ooh, there's another bus stop. This is not what I mean with I'm prepared for the rain. No, I have something else. I'm prepared for the rain. This is my Adam and Eve costume. This is how the ancient people looked like back in the days. And because I'm back in the nature, I did like them. And because I'm here in the nature, I want to feel like I'm one with the nature. And that's why I'm wearing this beautiful elephant ear costume. If you want one like me, you can buy it if you want. It's $50 each. Oh, this is beautiful. Man, this hike reminds me of haiku stairs in Hawaii. And if you haven't seen my video yet, click on the top right corner. Oh. Whew. This is exhausting. Oh man, look how high I am right now. I started my hike at the bottom of that mountain over there. You can see the houses there. There is where I started my hike. And now that mountain looks small because I'm way higher than that mountain. I haven't encountered anyone yet during my hike. Just one working guy, a guy who maintains this path. And that's it. I saw some goats. I saw a lot of anoles. And I just started my hike for 3 minutes and I saw a snake. But the snake was afraid because I am Moroccan. Let's go. Oh, look at it. There's the tower. Small tower, big tower. The big tower is in the clouds. I don't even have oxygen here. Oh man. And we're almost at the top. Danger, high voltage cables under the ground. Scenic view on the left and scenic view on the right. Oh, there is the top, I think. Or is this the top? Let's go over here first, see what we can see, and then we go to the left. I'm literally inside a cloud. I don't think we can see other islands from here because of the clouds. I'm the highest person in the Netherlands. I am the highest person in the Netherlands. Ooh. I think we have a view from here. And this is it, ladies and gentlemen. I arrived on top of Mount Scenery, and there is a stone here with some information, and it says Saba, Mount Scenery, 877 meters, Valsberg, and there's something else on this stone. Big dream, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. There is only one thing to do right now to be even more higher than the highest person in the Netherlands. We have to climb this rock over here. There are more than 17 million people that live in the Netherlands, and I am officially the highest person in the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Let's go to the second viewpoint. Maybe it's even better. Let me rest for a little bit. Oh man, I have to be very yep, I have to be very careful. Ooh. That over there is the shortest runway in the world. And it's gone. I just climbed here. I had a 5-second view and the clouds took over. You can see the clouds are going that way. Look how beautiful the ocean is. And as you can see, the clouds are taking over. And on my left hand, if I fall here, I'm gone. There's literally nothing below me.